Hi everyone, this is Ms. DeLu. This video will cover the directions for Module A, Lesson 2, Practice Activity Number 2, Digital Lesson, 3 Issues Paragraph Highlighting. You will want to have your copy of this Practice Activity Number 2 on another tab. The directions are: highlight the topic sentence in the paragraph below in yellow. So the paragraph below is a paragraph about the top 3 issues at Colton. And you need to just highlight the sentence, the one sentence that is the topic sentence. This is how you'll demonstrate to us that you know how to organize a paragraph. So the objective of students will organize opinions and ideas in a logical manner by organizing and depicting information logically would be covered by knowing where the topic sentence goes. The second objective is students will justify opinions and ideas using examples, explanations, terminology, by negotiating ideas and knowledge with peers and teachers. So hopefully that one will be covered when you are talking with other students about where the topic sentence is. Next, follow the directions on the website for the next steps.